Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the items report. This is a great report to go to if you're looking to see how many of a certain item you sold. It's also another term used for it is like a product mix report. So I'm going to be doing this from the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. And you go to the menu icon here at the top left, and you go to reports. The second report down from the top. Now you can also view this report from the iPad. And if you're doing this from the iPad, then you just go to the menu icon here at the top left, and then go to the reports button here. Now it's actually going to look pretty much the same. You're going to get the same reports here on the side. The layout is the same. The way you interact with it's the same. It's pretty much all the same. One of the main differences is you get the bigger screen, of course, if you're doing it from a computer. But also if you're doing an export to PDF or CSV, I find that to be easier on a laptop versus trying to extract the file from the iPad, which if you have certain software on the iPad, you may or may not be able to do. Now there is a print button on here. You can do that and print it out to the receipt through the receipt printer if you're doing it from the iPad. If you're doing it from a PC or laptop, you can print to an office printer here. So pretty much all the reports have a date range. I hate to keep mentioning this in every single video, but just in case this is the only video you watch on the reports, I'm going to go over it again. But you've got arrows. You can go back and forth on certain dates, or you can click on the actual date and it'll bring up your calendar. You've got quick buttons here. You can go to today, or if you just want to view yesterday, 7 days, etc. Or if you just don't want to view one day, you just, if I just want to see the 16th, I can just click on that and hit the run button. It will populate that report. Or if I want to do year to date, I can go to January, click on January 1st, go back to March, and click on the 20th. It will fill in that whole range and click run. You've also got some filtering options here on this one. You can filter by staff, you can filter by room, you can filter by groups, filter by sections, and you can filter by categories here. Unassigned shouldn't have anything, but like I said, this is a great place to go if you're just wanting to see how many of a certain item you sold. Like I can see 45 Dr. Peppers and 26 Mountain Dews, etc. Now this is just a testing account that I'm using, so hopefully when you are viewing this on your site with live data, it's a lot bigger than this. Now most of the stuff in here is interactable. So I can go in here and see, well, how many Dr. Peppers, how many tickets did I sell the Dr. Pepper on? And click on Dr. Pepper and it will show me all the tickets. It'll show me every time it was ordered. And I can click on any of these, go into that as well. And then it will show me all types of info. It'll show me all the ticket info here. I can view audit trails, see who did what. It's all time stamped. Go to troubleshooting and see if something failed. This one failed because I didn't have a printer hooked up. You can do view history, which shows you a step-by-step. It shows you what was done every time that ticket was accessed. This one was only accessed once, and then you have the option to print in here as well. That's pretty much it. It's, I mean, of course, pretty self-explanatory. It just depends on what you're looking for. It'll show you your cost and your margins. It'll show you what report category it's on, what sizes you're selling. But that's pretty much all there is to this one. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.